Hi, I'm Seng. Today I'll share with you what if your business has closed down and you want to sell the FeedMe POS system to others. So here's the steps. First, for the business details, the receipt header, all these things, you always can reset. Second, for the item, the menu, or the product pricing, all those things, you still can reset and delete. But just bear in mind that your sales data cannot delete. And for the license ownership, you cannot transfer to others. You can add the owner, but for the main login account, still using your phone number or your email as a login account. But for my advice is, you will better to look for us and buy the new license so that your details, your sales data won't go into view by others. In addition, if your license expired on January and now it's April, when you want to renew, it's continue back to the January, not by the present day, which is April. Thank you.
First log into a FeedMe portal, then go to setting, and then go to setting. First, you need to change your business details, so select the outlet and click edit. Update the latest restaurant details. After that, just click save. If you're using back your original device, then you don't need to unbind. If there's a new device to buy for the main license, then you need to unbind and buy again. Then go to your menu. Then you can select all the item and remove it to reset all your menu and products. Then don't forget to publish. Same goes to your catalog setting as well. Then go to HRM. So from here, you can add the team members, which is by searching their phone number, and you set it as all permission granted so that they can access all. But just bear in mind that your business owner account cannot be transferred unless you buy the new license. Then you go to the post, then go to the setting, go to printer. So from here, you can go to the template and double check all the details. Is it correct? Then you can add some text. So it shows here. You can customize for your footer text. This shows here. Then you can customize your footer QR as well. After that, just click save. For your membership detail, you also cannot be deleted, but you can reset their tier. So my advice is, if your new handover merchant don't mind for viewing your reports or checking on your membership, then you can reset for them. But if you want to look for the new system, please look for us, T-Tech Solution. Thank you.
Cari POS system, cari POS Solution.